In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your Shopify store step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Settings located at the bottom left corner. Next, go to Languages to access your store language settings. Here you'll see your current default language along with any additional languages already added to your store. To add a new language, click on Add Language. Now search for the language you want to use and select it from the list. After adding the language, you can choose to publish it immediately or keep it unpublished until your translations are ready. If you want the new language to become the main language of your store, set it as the default language. Keep in mind that adding a language does not automatically translate all your store content. You may need to manually translate products, collections, pages, and menus, or use translation apps available on Shopify. Offering multiple languages can help improve customer experience and make your store more accessible to international shoppers. Thanks for watching.